This is a unique nail creations haul. I haven't ordered from her in a while. Some of the stuff I wanted is gone, so that kind of sucks. But so I placed a little order. And here's her card. Her name's Cheryl. She's on Instagram. And then her store is on eBay. She sends little candies. There's a Jolly Rancher in there. Oh, 2 Jolly Ranchers. Nice. I love Jolly Ranchers. Cherry's my favorite too. And then there's these stickers. Make your own sunshine. Flamingo for summer. Yes. So I ordered a bunch of summer stuff. Stuff for summer. Okay, I got these sunflowers. They are so cute. So there's some holographic ones in there, and then there's pink and yellow, blue, red. There's a white one. You see a white one? There's a black. And then the little circles are in there too. So you can use those. These are 8mm holographic and matte sunflowers. I'll put the price on the screen. And then I got the neon hollow flowers. I've been wanting to get these for a while. I thought they'd be a little bigger. Maybe there's different sizes out there. I don't know. But I like this size. I'm glad they're not bigger, actually. Those are cool. Nice neons. And then I got these neon yellow flowers. And they look like they're all the same size. And I got the pink ones. And I got the red ones. These are matte. These red ones are like a shimmery pearl color. And then I got the neon orange. Yeah, all summery, huh? Oh, and then I got the neon butterflies. These are the new butterflies with the bigger wings. She's calling these fairy wing butterflies. They're 5mm. I love these. I was going to order from AliExpress, but they take so long, and we're going to be doing summer manis here real quick, so I wanted to make sure I had them. And then I got these black umbrellas. For spring. I have holographic ones already, but those are cool. Cute. My hands are dry. Please excuse my hands. I need to do my nails. Oh God, they're a mess. Then I got this mix. It's called Cotton Candy Blue. They're fine to 3mm dot blend, ultra sparkle. Another nice one for summer. And then I got this one, this cotton candy pink. It's from the ultra sparkle, and same thing, fine to 3mm dot blend. It's like a pinkish purple. I don't know why this was in a separate bag, but it was. It's a cute little bag. She always gives a couple packs of rhinestones in her orders as a free gift. So I got the skulls, and I got these little flower looking ones. Okay, this mix is called Yeti Dreams. I guess that's a Yeti. And it's a gray and pink blend. Yeah, that's pretty. I've never done pink and gray, I don't think. There's some holographic in there too. And then this one is a Hello Spring. And it's got tiny little white dots in there. And blue. And basically that's all you can see. But there's shapes in here. Pretty sure those butterflies are in here. Yep. So that definitely has to be mixed up. So it's got those fairy butterflies in there. And then she sent me 2 free gifts. If you order 5, you get a free gift. So she sent me 2 on top of the rhinestones. She sent me this green mix. It's looks like it's in the same family as this one and this one. Except I don't see any fine in there. But that's a pretty color. And then these hearts, they're like a peachy color with a yellow shift. Real pretty summer color. So that's it for my unique nail creations haul. She's got some really cool stuff. I already have a bunch of her stuff. Go check out her site. I will have the link down in my description box. She ships really quick. I got this stuff within 4 or 5 days. It usually takes a week and a half. But I don't know, maybe the post office is getting a little quicker. We can only hope, right? Alright, looking forward to spring and summer. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.